Yokoso! Welcome to 150 Most Useful Japanese Words course. This is lesson 4. I'm your teacher Rosie, and let's get to work. In our last class, we learned about adjectives, and in this one, we will learn more about pronouns. So let's go. 55. Watashi, watashi, watashi. I or me. This is the most common way to say I or me. It is used both by females and males, and you will never be wrong while using it. So let's look at some examples. 私は嬉しいです。私は嬉しいです。I am happy. 私はイタリア人じゃないです。私はイタリア人じゃないです。I am not Italian. 56. 俺、俺、俺. This one means the same, I or me, but it is used mostly by males or by boys. They use it when they talk to people that they are very close with. So, for example, high school students, when they are friends, they use it among each other, or maybe some guys that are friends. So let's look at some examples. 俺は行きます。俺は行きます。I'll go. 57. 僕、僕、僕. This one also means I or me, but it is used by males, and it is kind of in the middle. If we look at formality, it's in the middle, so it's not too impolite, not too polite, and this is the most common way for guys to say I or me. 僕は電話します。僕は電話します。I'll call. 58. あなた、あなた、あなた。You. So this one means you, but you have to be careful with this one because if you're speaking to someone older than you or someone higher in status than you, I would not recommend to use it. So you should use it only with people that you're familiar with. あなたならできる。あなたならできる。You can do it. Or if you look at the sentence, あなたなら, if it's you, できる, can do, able to do. So it means basically if it's you, I know that you'll be able to do it. So you can do it. 59. Son, son, son. So maybe you have heard of this one. It's something that we use after saying someone's name. So when before we talked about saying anata, you, but it's quite informal and it actually might offend someone if they're older than you or higher in status. So I would always recommend to not say you, but to say someone's name and add san after that, because san is like Mr., Mrs., Mrs., and it's basically a very generic thing that you say after someone's name, and you will always be polite if you use it. Rio-san, Rio-san, Miss Rio. So I can say this when I want to catch someone's attention, for example. 60. みんな、みんな、みんな。Everybody. みんな家に帰りました。みんな家に帰りました。Everybody went home. 61. He. 彼、彼、彼。 彼は有名人です。彼は有名人です。He is a celebrity. He is a famous person. 62. They for males. 彼ら、彼ら、彼ら. And if you take a look, this one we just saw it was kare from he, kare, and we add ra, and it becomes plural, karera, they for males. 彼らは会社員です。彼らは会社員です。They are office workers. 63. 彼女、彼女、彼女. She, her, and in some cases, it also means girlfriend, so you have to be careful with this word. 私の彼女です。私の彼女です。She's my girlfriend. Or this is my girlfriend. 64. They for females. 彼女たち。彼女たち。彼女たち. As you can see here, 彼女 is the same as for she, her, or girlfriend. And we add tachi, also plural, at the end, and it makes 彼女たち they for females. It makes it plural. In some cases, some people add ra, as in for karera, the one we use for guys, they. But I don't know why Japanese people use 彼女たち way more often than 彼女ら. And here's the example sentence. 彼女たちは大学生です。彼女たちは大学生です。They are university students. お疲れ様です。You have worked so hard and you have finished yet another class. So I congratulate you. おめでとうございます。And I'll see you in our next class.